Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Post is here. So I've finally got my camera and yeah, it seems quite good. It's a Samsung and it can record 1080p, so that's good, and we'll see the quality soon. So yeah, Post is here. In the meantime, since my camera's been broken, I've had so much post and not been able to record what's what. So I want to do it in probably 2 stages because I don't want to get you too bored. So anyway, first one, we have, make sure that's empty, micro shear hand tools. Let's see, I think this will be pliers. Yeah, here you go. I ordered these little snips, like to snip single core cable. They were very cheap. I think they were about £2, but we'll see again in a minute anyway. So we've got some snips. Let's see. Right, a lot of this stuff will probably be my drone stuff. So we've got that. And this is this is an NRF module, by the looks of it. Yeah. So let's see how good this camera is at focusing on. Oh, that's quite cool. Let's see how close it can go. Wow, I'm very impressed actually with this camera. There's the NRF module, and it comes with an antenna. Let's just screw this on here. Comes with an antenna like this. In fact, I wonder if let's try the zoom on the camera. No, it's struggling with that. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. Anyway, so an RF module. This is going to be for the drone. Zoom back out again there. So, well, an NRF module. Let's put that to one side. What's this? Right. These are the ESCs, the motor control, motor speed controller things. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so I've got 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put those over there for a second. Yeah, these are the ESCs, and I've not actually looked at these before. So, again, let's zoom in. Okay, so they're my speed controllers. I've got 4. I need to know a little bit more about these really. Of course that's positive and negative. I don't know what that is at the moment. Yeah, I'll find out more about these ESCs, but again this is for the drone, so I'll just put this back. What I'm going to do from now on with these Post this here videos is I'm going to show you the items and I'm going to show you how much I paid for them and where I got them from at the end of the video. Okay, but they're the ESCs anyway. What's next? Something big. Just make sure I'm zoomed out there. Yeah. Okay. This is the frame. And let's open this up and find out what it is. You know. I need to get some scissors really. Okay, so we have a plate. Actually, that I thought that was aluminium, but it's not actually. It's PCB. Yeah. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you that it's PCB. No, I'm not keeping it still enough. Anyway, it's actually a PCB. Okay, so we've got the drone arms. Actually, this drone is going to be smaller than I originally thought. We've got the screws. One of the other plates, I take it that's probably the bottom plate. More screws. And of course, more of these arms. Oh, actually, of course, it will be a bit bigger because of the plates. Let's pull this camera out a bit more. There you go, hopefully you can see that better now. So there we go. So that's arrived too. Let's push that to the side. And finally, there's one that I've opened properly here. And the one that I've opened is the motors. And I bought these from the UK. Now, we've got some propellers. Just thinking, I hope these aren't going to be too big, these propellers. Let's have a quick check. Ooh. They're not, it looks like they're not going to be too big. But it's not far off. Anyway. But looks like we just got lucky there. Anyway. So, I've got the propellers. 4 propellers, which is of course correct. Right, motors. Let's move this camera a bit. This camera's always in the way. Right. We've got various little pieces. Oh, this is really good actually. The other camera had a digital zoom, and quite frankly, it was rubbish. But now, I've got a proper zoom. Yes, that's much better. An optical zoom. So, there's one of the motors, that's what they look like. 3 pins. There's the piece to hold the propellers on, I take it. And this is the other piece. I think maybe that's to go underneath the propellers, but it's just a guess. So there we go. And that's everything. So I'll show you now where I've got these things from. Okay, so the first item, the snips. The snips cost £2.14 and they're from Malaysia, from a seller called hittime_3c. I buy quite a lot of stuff from Malaysia because I find that the prices are cheap. Yeah, in fact, comparative to China, yeah, I get them quicker by quite a lot as well. The next thing is the transceiver. So I don't know what this PA-LNA SMA is. I'm not sure what that is. I'm sure it's something to do with the antenna. I'm not too sure, but it costs £1.94 from seller Bead-007. And I'll just go down and see if there are any specs. Yeah. Okay. And the next thing, the ESCs. These cost £3.22 each, which on the face of it is quite expensive for what it is, a couple of wires and a chip, but nevertheless it's the cheapest I could find it. And this is also from Malaysia, So I had to buy 4 of these, and the seller's name is Premier Blue Sky 38. I'll just see if there are any specs for this. There are the specs there. Max continual current 30 amps. So the next item, this is the frame, and I got the frame from Hong Kong, and it was £6.63, which is very, very cheap. And the seller's name is BG27CYF. And if I go down, let's see if there are any specs. Let's see what it says. 156 grams, 330mm wheelbase. I'm not sure what it means by wheelbase. I think that's diameter or something like that. Okay, and then finally the motors. The motors were from UK, and they were £12.70, and the seller's name was Quadcopter. And £12.70 for 4 motors, that's not too bad. Usually I buy these things from China, but it just turned out that the UK could compete this time. It's quite unusual really, because these would have been from China, and of course the retailer has to make some money. Anyway, I found these the same price as China, so that's crazy, but there you go. And the specs, if I go down, specs should be something, there they are. 100% brand new, 1000 kilovolt kV, sorry, not kilovolts, kV, 1000 kV. It means 1000 revs per volt per second. And there's a couple more specs there. So anyway, that's where I got my drone parts from, and of course the snips, for very cheap, or as cheap as I could find them. And these are the parts I'm going to be using for my drone. So yeah, I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. Bye.